Be nice. Aw, you're so cute, Lacey. Stay. What's that baby doing? Sit. No, sit down. Be nice. Lacey. She wants to just crawling underneath you. Oh, she loves you. Extreme cuteness. Take 2. What'd she do? Deposit you a little morsel? Oh my goodness. Lacey, that's so sweet. Aww. Good girl. Lacey, you're the best dog in the world. You just know to love all the animals. Nice, nice, nice. Good. You're kissing her. Does she need cleaned? Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Clean her ears. Aww. Lacey, you're the sweetest dog in the world. You love her. Now she's gonna be all wet from you cleaning her. Is this going to end soon? I can't make this go on for 10 minutes. Lacey. Lacey. Lacey, what is she doing? She's too old to nurse. Lacey. Is she tickling you? Lacey. Who's hungry? I think that'd make you look.